Hello traders, this is AUD New Zealand. We are on the 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we have this number around 1.08,800. This is a very important level for AUD New Zealand. And also we have this trend line. This black is a weekly trend line. Let's go and see it on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have this weekly trend line, and right now the price is approaching the trend line. We'll see how the price will react to it. So what we can do is gonna wait. We're gonna wait for the price action around these two levels, the trend line and the level I mentioned before. If you are following my ideas, you would notice that I really depend on price action. I depend on resistance and support and how the price reacts to them. This is where I enter a buy and sell trade. And of course, I really depend on the price action of the candlesticks and how they react to the levels. So what I can do and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna wait for the price action, and I'm gonna see how it will react to these two levels, the trend line and the 1.08,800 level. I have to say that it's better for you if you're trading around a weekly trend line that you use your daily candlestick closure. Do not depend on the 4 hours. What I mean is, if you are on 4 hours and you saw a 4 hours candlestick that closed above the weekly trend line, do not enter. Wait for a daily candlestick closure. If a daily candlestick closure closed above a weekly trend line, then you can enter the trade. This will give you more confirmation. So we're gonna wait and see how the price will react on both 4 hours and daily time frame to the trend line and the level around 1.08,800, and from there we can determine where the price will go. If both were broken, then I would expect strongly that AUD New Zealand will continue to the upside. So hope you guys like the analysis. Trade safe and have a nice day.